Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a stock bot to Discord. First, you'll need to choose a suitable bot that offers the features you desire, like real-time quotes or portfolio tracking. Then, we'll walk through the simple steps of inviting it to your server. After that, we'll cover how to set up its permissions and initial configurations. Finally, you'll learn how to use its commands to get the stock information you need. To begin, research and select a stock bot that fits your needs. Popular options often include features like real-time data and customizable alerts. Once you've chosen, navigate to its official website or a trusted bot listing platform. Look for an Invite or Add to Discord button. Clicking this will redirect you to Discord, where you'll select your server and grant the necessary permissions for the bot to function correctly. After inviting the bot, it's time to configure its settings. Consider creating a specific channel for stock commands to keep your server organized. Access your server settings to fine-tune the bot's permissions, ensuring it can post messages and embed links. Many bots allow you to customize preferences such as currency display or how often data refreshes. Take a moment to explore any advanced features like portfolio management. Now that your bot is set up, you can start using its commands. Most bots use a prefix, often a slash, followed by the command and the stock ticker, for example, /stockopl. You can quickly retrieve real-time stock quotes, check market trends, or even track your personal portfolio. Experiment with different commands to discover all the valuable financial information your new stock bot can provide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.